Welcome to our channel, Wafa Tech and Tricks.
Are you looking for a simple and proven way to make money online? Whether you run a blog, a YouTube channel, or even just a basic website, Google AdSense could be your first step toward earning real passive income. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how Google AdSense works, how to set it up step by step, and most importantly, how you can start making money from it today. You don't have any technical skills? No problem. Whether you are a beginner or just need a refresher, this tutorial is designed to help you go from zero to earning with AdSense. So stay with me and let's turn your content into cash. In today's digital world, making money online is more possible than ever. And one of the most trusted, beginner-friendly ways to earn passive income is through Google AdSense. Whether you have a blog, a website, or a YouTube channel, AdSense allows you to monetize your traffic by displaying relevant ads and getting paid when people view or click them. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with Google AdSense and begin your journey toward online income. What is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is an advertising platform by Google that allows website owners and content creators to earn money by showing ads. These ads are provided by Google Ads advertisers and are automatically matched to your site's content and your audience. For example, if you run a blog about fitness, your visitors might see ads related to gym gear or healthy diets, and every time someone clicks an ad, you earn money. Step number 1. Do you qualify for AdSense? Let's see. Before applying for Google AdSense, make sure you meet these basic requirements. Number 1. You must be 18 years old or older than that. Number 2. You need a Google account like Gmail. Number 3. Your content should be original, high quality, and follow Google's policies. Number 4. Your blog or website must have at least 15 to 20 well-written articles or pages. Number 5. Your site must be fully functional with a clear layout and navigation. If you're applying via YouTube, your channel must meet the YouTube Partner Program requirements. You must have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. No community guideline strikes. Step number 2. Create a Google AdSense account. Number 1. Go to googleadsense.com. Number 2. Click Get Started. Number 3. Sign in with your Google account. Number 4. Enter your website URL if applicable. Number 5. Choose your payment country and agree to the terms. Number 6. Submit your application. You'll need to add a piece of HTML code to your website to verify ownership. If you're using YouTube, Google will link your AdSense account to your channel once you're eligible. Step number 3. Wait for approval. Google usually takes a few days to 2 weeks to review your site or channel. If your content is high quality and meets all policies, you'll receive an email confirmation. Step number 4. Place ads on your website or enable monetization on YouTube. Once approved, for blogs or websites, you can log into your AdSense dashboard and generate ad codes. Place them in your website's layout, like in sidebars, headers, or within posts. For YouTube, just turn on monetization for your videos in YouTube Studio. Google will automatically place ads where appropriate. Step number 5. Start earning money. Google pays you per click or per 1,000 views. Earning depends on some few things, for example, your content's topic. Some niches pay more than others. Secondly, your audience's location. For example, traffic from US or UK pay more. Ad placement and click-through rate. Amount of traffic your site or channel gets. Once your earnings reach $100, Google will send your payment via bank transfer or another available method. Tips to maximize your AdSense earnings. Number 1. Focus on high-paying niches. Topics like finance, health, and tech have higher CPCs. Number 2. Drive more traffic. Promote your content on social media and SEO. Number 3. Use ad placement wisely. Ads in visible spots like within content or at the top of the page perform better. Number 4, avoid policy violations. Clicking your own ads or using misleading tactics can get your account banned. Conclusion: Google AdSense is one of the easiest ways to start earning online, even for beginners. With consistent content, quality traffic, and patience, it can become a solid stream of passive income. So, whether you are a blogger, a YouTuber, or just getting started online, AdSense could be your gateway to making real money from your passion. How to start earning real money online? Whether you are a total beginner or someone looking to boost your income, this video is packed with everything you need to get started with Google AdSense today. Google AdSense is a free program by Google that allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your content. When a visitor clicks or views an ad on your site or video, you get paid. And you know what's the best part? It's completely passive income, which means once the ads are set up, you earn money even while you sleep. Ads are automatically placed based on your content and audience, so you don't need to worry about finding advertisers yourself. Google does all the work for you. Before you apply for Google AdSense, there are a few things you must have in place. First, you must be at least 18 years old and own a Google account. Your content, whether it's a website or a YouTube channel, it must be original, valuable, and follow Google's policies. If you're applying through a blog or website, make sure it has at least 15 to 20 quality articles and easy navigation. If you're applying through YouTube, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Once you have met the requirements, you're ready for the next step. To sign up, go to google.com AdSense and click Get Started. Log in with your Google account and enter your website URL or select your YouTube channel. You will also need to enter your contact and payment information. If you're applying through a blog or a website, Google will give you a short HTML code. You'll need to paste this into your site's header to verify ownership. After that, submit your application and wait for approval. It usually takes a few days to a couple of weeks. Be patient and make sure your content stays active and clean during the review period. Once approved, you can start displaying ads and earning money. For websites and blogs, go to your AdSense dashboard and create ad units. You can choose where you want ads to appear, like on the sidebar, within the content, or at the top of the page. Simply copy and paste the code into your site where you want the ad to show. If you are using YouTube, just enable monetization for your videos. Google automatically places ads at the beginning, middle, or end of your videos depending on the length. You earn money either per click or per 1,000 views. The more traffic you get, the more you earn. High-paying niches like finance, technologies, and health usually offer better rates. Here are a few tips to help you maximize your earnings. First, focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that attracts more visitors. Use SEO techniques to improve your ranking and increase traffic. Second, choose a niche with a high advertiser demand. Topics like investing, insurance, and digital marketing often have higher ad rates. Third, experiment with ad placement and sizes to find what works best. Avoid placing too many ads, it can annoy users and reduce clicks. And finally, never click on your own ads or encourage others to do so. That can get your account banned permanently. Play by the rules and grow steadily. And that's it for today. Hopefully, you understand everything step by step. That's how you can start making money online with Google AdSense. It's simple, scalable, and a great source of passive income if you stay consistent. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.